In this video, I will show you how you can fix the syncing with iCloud paused messages on any iPhone. Now, if you're facing this issue, first of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, then open the connection section in the control center. Now just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just turn off the airplane mode. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. And also make sure that you're using Wi-Fi instead of the mobile data, because the mobile data can be slow at times, which can cause this problem. So make sure you turn off the mobile data and use Wi-Fi instead. Now after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, and from here, just check the storage of your iCloud. If the storage of your iCloud is full, you can either subscribe to iCloud Plus and you can get more iCloud storage, or you can delete older backup from your iCloud to free up some space. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Save to iCloud. And from here, just select the app with which you are facing this issue. For an example, let's select the Messages app. So I'll tap on the Messages app, and from here, just make sure that this toggle has been enabled. If it is already enabled, just turn it off. Now just tap on Disable. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds and enable this toggle back on. Now as you can see under Status, it is currently syncing with iCloud. And if you have this option which says Sync Now, just tap on Sync Now and you will start syncing your data to the iCloud. Now just do this for the apps with which you are facing syncing issues. Now from here, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app, then tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the option for iMessage. Now just disable iMessage from your iPhone, and after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then enable iMessage back on. Just wait for a moment until iMessage is fully activated. After that, just tap on Send and Receive and make sure you select your Apple ID in this section. As you can see, our Apple ID is already added. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on your Apple ID. Now from here, just tap on Sign Out and sign out of your Apple ID. After you sign out of your Apple ID, then just go back to this section and sign back into your Apple ID. If this also did not work, then just go back and under Settings, just tap on Battery. On this page, just tap on Power Mode. Now, if low power mode is enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off. Now finally, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is how you can fix the syncing with iCloud paused messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.